Hallo, it's dumplet here. Here's an item on algebra. Let f be a function such that f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y for all x and y. If f of 5 equals 9, compute f of 2015. Credits to the Berkeley Mini-Math Tournament back in 2015 for this item. As usual, pause this video if you'd like to give this item a try. But if you're done, let us dive into the solution. So here we have a functional equation, and the only known value is f of 5 being equal to 9. So in this functional equation, we're motivated to try to substitute values of x and y. First, let's try to do x and y both equal to 5, since we don't have any other nice values that we can substitute. Right, if x and y are both equal to 5, we're going to get f of 10 is equal to f of 5 plus f of 5. Now we know that f of 5 equals 9, so f of 10 would be twice of f of 5, so it's going to be 2 times 9, and that's going to be equal to 18. Now we have f of 10, so let's try to do something like x equals 10 and y equals 5. Okay, so f of x plus y becomes f of 15. F of 15 is f of 10 plus f of 5. Now f of 10 is 18, f of 5 is 9, so it's technically 3 times 9, which is 27. And we can do some nice observations here, because for example, if x equals 10 and y equals 10, we're going to get f of 20 being equal to, well, f of 10 plus f of 10, and we know f of 10 is 18, so it's going to be 36. Now we can write 36 as 4 times 9. Again, this might not be a really legit solution, but based from what we have here, I think we can have a nice hypothesis as to what f may be, because we have f of 5 equals 5 as per the given, so we have f of 5 equals, we have f of 5 equals 9 based on the given, and f of 10 equals 2 times 9, f of 15 is 3 times 9, f of 20 is 4 times 9, so we can have the nice assumption that maybe f of 5a is equal to 9a. So any multiple of 5 inside the function here as the input, it's going to give us 9a, so a multiple of 9 as an output. Now with this, actually we just have to kind of realize, well, if we want to get f of 2015, because we know 2015 is it's 5 times 403, I think what we have to do here is just have 9 times 403. So 9 times 403, that's going to give us the 3,627, and this is indeed the answer. Now obviously this is not really a legit solution because we kind of make the assumption. So here I am going to tell you that this is an example of a C. It's called the Cauchy Functional Equation. It's the Cauchy's Functional Equation. So, well, there are a lot of solutions to the Cauchy's Functional Equation. There are a lot of functions that satisfy this one, but probably the most well-known is the linear function f of x be equal to cx for some real number c. Now, since the question only asks for a numerical value of f of 2015, we just kind of have to work with what we have. So we know that f of 5 was 9, but based from the linear equation being a solution to the Cauchy functional equation, f of 5 equals 5c. Now we want 5c to be equal to 9, so 5c equals 9, we should be able to get that c should be 9/5. So a function that should work in this functional equation with f of 5 equals 9 should be f of x being equal to 9 over 5, so that's the value of c, times x. And we just have to substitute x as 2015, so we have 9/5 times 2015, and this will be the exact same thing because after a cancellation, we're going to see that this part is 403. So 9 times 403, we're still going to get our answer of 3,627. And this will be our final answer. Hopefully you guys learned something new from this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!